Have you ever wondered why some men leave a lasting impression, while others are forgotten almost instantly? What is it that makes a woman think about one person long after the conversation has ended? Is it expensive gifts, constant texting, grand romantic gestures? The answer may surprise you. According to relationship psychology, attraction is rarely built on trying too hard. Instead, it's often created through emotional experiences, confidence, authenticity, and the way you make someone feel. Today, we'll explore several psychology-based principles that can help you become more memorable while building healthier and more meaningful connections. The first principle is confidence without arrogance. Genuine confidence is attractive because it communicates emotional stability and self-respect. A confident man doesn't seek constant validation. He speaks calmly, listens carefully, and values himself regardless of other people's opinions. This quiet confidence often leaves a stronger impression than loud displays of ego. The second principle is becoming genuinely interested in her as a person. Many people focus on trying to impress others, but memorable conversations usually happen when someone feels truly heard. Ask thoughtful questions, listen carefully to her answers, remember details she shares about her dreams, hobbies, family, or career. People naturally remember those who make them understood. understood. Next comes emotional presence. In today's world of constant distractions, giving someone your full attention is increasingly rare. Put your phone away during conversations, make comfortable eye contact, react sincerely to what she's saying instead of thinking about what you'll say next. Being emotionally present creates meaningful moments that often stay in someone's memory. Another important factor is having your own purpose and passions. People are naturally drawn to those who have fulfilling lives outside of relationships. Whether it's building a business, learning new skills, staying physically active, volunteering, or pursuing creative hobbies, your purpose makes you more interesting and emotionally independent. A life filled with ambition and curiosity is far more attractive than one centered entirely around gaining someone's approval. Mystery also plays a role, but not through manipulation or playing games. Healthy mystery comes from maintaining your individuality. You don't need to reveal every detail about yourself immediately. Let conversations unfold naturally. Allow the relationship to develop over time. This creates curiosity while respecting both people's boundaries. Kindness should never be underestimated. Being respectful, considerate, and emotionally mature creates lasting positive impressions. Small acts of genuine kindness, remembering something important to her, offering encouragement, or showing empathy during difficult moments, often mean far more than flashy romantic gestures. Humor is another powerful connection builder. Shared laughter releases positive emotions and strengthens social bonds. You don't need to be a comedian. Simply being able to smile, laugh at yourself occasionally, and create enjoyable moments makes people associate you with positive feelings. Perhaps one of the biggest mistakes people make is becoming overly available. Healthy relationships require balance. Continue spending time with your friends, family, career, and personal interests. Independence demonstrates confidence and emotional maturity. It also ensures that your happiness doesn't depend entirely on another person's attention. Communication is equally important. Honest, respectful conversations build trust far more effectively than guessing games or mixed signals. Express your thoughts clearly while remaining respectful of the other person's feelings and boundaries. It's also important to remember that attraction cannot be forced. Every individual has unique preferences, experiences, and values. Even if you practice every positive habit discussed today, not every person will develop romantic feelings, and that's perfectly normal. Healthy relationships are built on mutual interest, respect, and compatibility. Real attraction isn't about manipulating someone's emotions or making them obsess over you. It's about becoming the kind of person whose confidence, kindness, emotional intelligence, and authenticity naturally leave a positive impression. So instead of asking, "How do I make someone think about me non-stop?" perhaps ask a better question: "How can I become someone who consistently brings value, positivity, and genuine connection into other people's lives?" When you focus on personal growth instead of chasing validation, something remarkable happens. You become more confident, you communicate better, you build healthier relationships, and whether in friendship or romance, people naturally remember those who make them feel respected, appreciated, and understood. If you found these psychology insights valuable, remember that the strongest relationships aren't built through tricks or shortcuts. They're built through honesty, emotional maturity, and mutual respect. Keep growing, keep learning, and become the best version of yourself. The right connections often begin when you stop trying to force them and simply become someone worth remembering. Emotional attraction is one of the strongest foundations of meaningful human relationships because it goes far beyond physical appearance or first impressions. It develops when two people feel understood, respected, appreciated, and emotionally connected through shared experiences and genuine communication. While physical attraction may capture attention for a moment, emotional attraction often determines whether someone continues thinking about another person long after they have parted ways. It is created through trust, empathy, authenticity, and the ability to make another person feel comfortable expressing their true thoughts and emotions. People naturally remember those who listen without judgment, respond with kindness, and create conversations that leave a lasting positive impression. Emotional attraction grows when someone consistently demonstrates confidence without arrogance, showing security in themselves while remaining humble and approachable. A calm, composed personality often creates a sense of safety that encourages deeper conversations and stronger emotional bonds. Active listening is another powerful element because remembering small details, asking thoughtful questions, and showing sincere curiosity communicate genuine interest rather than superficial attention. When someone feels heard and valued, they are far more likely to associate positive emotions with that interaction. Respect also plays a vital role, as healthy attraction cannot exist without recognizing personal boundaries, individual opinions, and emotional needs. People appreciate those who allow them the freedom to be themselves, instead of attempting to control or change them. Emotional attraction is strengthened through consistency because dependable behavior builds trust over time. Keeping promises, communicating honestly, and treating others with respect regardless of the situation demonstrates integrity, one of the most attractive qualities a person can possess. Confidence rooted in self-awareness rather than ego creates an appealing presence because it signals emotional maturity and stability. Individuals who pursue meaningful goals, maintain fulfilling hobbies, and continue growing personally often become naturally interesting because their identity extends beyond seeking validation from others. Their passion for life becomes contagious, making conversations richer and interactions more memorable. Humor also contributes significantly to emotional attraction by creating positive shared experiences. Genuine laughter reduces tension, strengthens social bonds, and encourages people to associate happiness with the person who made them smile. Kindness expressed through thoughtful actions, encouraging words, and empathy during difficult moments leaves an impression that often lasts much longer than expensive gifts or dramatic gestures. Emotional attraction thrives when appreciation is expressed sincerely rather than excessively, allowing compliments to feel meaningful instead of routine. Authenticity remains essential because pretending to be someone else eventually creates disappointment, while honesty fosters trust and acceptance. People are generally drawn toward those who are comfortable embracing their strengths and acknowledging their imperfections. Emotional intelligence further enhances attraction by helping individuals recognize emotions in themselves and others, respond with empathy, and navigate disagreements respectfully. Conflict handled with patience and understanding often strengthens relationships rather than weakening them because it demonstrates maturity and commitment to mutual respect. Shared experiences also deepen emotional attraction by creating memories connected to positive emotions. Whether enjoying meaningful conversations, working toward common goals, exploring new places, or supporting one another through challenges, these experiences build emotional significance that cannot be replicated through appearance alone. Maintaining independence is equally important because healthy relationships flourish when both individuals continue developing their own interests, friendships, and ambitions. Independence reflects confidence and prevents emotional dependence, allowing affection to grow naturally instead of being driven by insecurity. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.